Today we have with us Tanishka, All India rank 832 in CLAT 2026. Huge congratulations, Tanishka.
Thank you, ma'am.
How's the feeling? कैसा लग रहा है?
Ma'am, it kind of still feels a bit unreal, but yeah, time के साथ साथ थोड़ा सा I'm getting used to it.
Still sinking in?
Yeah,
कितना अच्छा
yeah,
rank?
yeah,
Yeah, it would take time, but then this is your moment. Go out, celebrate, and you've worked so
yeah.
hard.
Yes, ma'am.
Your hard work is finally paid off. So Tanishka was part of our 2 year program. So Tanishka has always been a very disciplined and a focused student. नो बकवास सीधी बात बिल्कुल फोकस्ड
Hmm.
काम से काम and very attentive when it came to classes, attending mocks, asking doubts. She was also very proactive in the entire process, and I'm sure all of that helped. So, Tanishka, can you please describe your journey, your preparation strategy, and your success recipe?
Okay, so I was in 11th grade when I joined CL, and starting में मेरे को थोड़ा सा सब कुछ difficult लगता था कि मतलब स्कूल के साथ manage करना, and also like it was really new for me, and my weak point was basically it was maths. But other than maths, I loved all the other subjects, and with time I gradually got used to everything, the like subject pattern, the CLAT exam pattern. And I think the biggest like reason for me getting used to it was the faculty. Like Pulak ma'am was there, Varun sir was there for GK, and also Navneet sir for maths. तो मतलब इन्होंने मेरे को बहुत हेल्प किया है मेरे डाउट्स के साथ, एंड लाइक basically even my stupidest doubts that I've asked them, they have helped me with that. And yeah, so
No doubt is stupid. Every
yeah,
doubt is
exactly,
important.
exactly, every doubt is important because वो तुम्हारे क्लास में आ सकता है.
Correct.
And in 11th I was a bit more like I would say reserved. Like I was really shy to ask doubts and stuff like that, but with time it gradually improved. Even my mock scores improved with time, and I was like really confident before giving my CLAT exam, and I think that was one of the biggest reason that I got this rank, because I really had that confidence in me कि भाई मिल जाएगा, college मिल जाएगा.
So staying confident is the key. It's a
Yes.
process. Trust the process. Slowly and gradually, you obviously
Hmm.
get there. So, what were your strong areas? You said almost every subject except
Yeah.
maths.
So strongest was legal for me, and
Okay.
even in CLAT, I only did 2 questions wrong in legal.
Okay.
So
Perfect.
strongest was legal, and weakest was maths.
So, what did you do so that you don't get overconfident as far as your strong subjects are concerned? And how did you push yourself for your weak areas?
Okay, so talking about the strong section first. So I mean, my mock scores was really like fluctuating a lot. So I wasn't really like overconfident with my legal. I just knew that ki, okay, like this is my strongest area, but I didn't like get overconfident with it. And even when I like checked my like legal score in CLAT, I was shocked because of that. So I think I just practiced like it like a
Practice.
normal subject. I didn't really think about it कि ये तो मेरा strongest है, ये तो हो जाएगा. I just like practiced it like a normal subject. Now coming to my weakest, that is maths. तो उसके लिए I started with the like core concepts, that was percentage, ratio, proportion and average. तो ये तीनों तो करने के बाद I did all the PYQs once, and yeah, because of that I was able to solve like a good amount of questions.
Okay, so practice is the key, is what Tanishka has to say. In making sure that you don't get overconfident, तो उसके लिए आप practice करते रहो, ignore मत करो. And then subjects that you aren't very good with and you need more focus, उनको ज़्यादा like importance दो, उनको daily, if not daily, then at least week में 3-4 days practice करो, and that actually helps. So, as they say, expect the unexpected. How uh, did you deal with unexpected questions or any unexpected sections which came during exam?
Okay, so actually, in the exam itself, like the whole legal reasoning was filled with analytical reasoning, which like analytical reasoning is not one of my strongest points. So I was a bit scared when I opened the question paper and that popped up. So what I did was I changed my sequence. I started with English, and then I did GK, and then I did legal, and then I combined maths and like maths and logical. सो इस तरह से मैंने अपना क्लैट का पेपर सॉल्व किया. आई चेंज माई यूजल सीक्वेंस दैट आई फॉलोड इन माई मॉक्स, एंड आई
Okay.
थिंक दैट इज वॉट हेल्प्ड मी इन माई क्लैट ऑल्सो, बिकॉज इंस्टेड ऑफ बींग लाइक overwhelmed, I moved past it and I managed it.
Okay, so please be prepared for the unexpected that might come. And obviously इसलिए आप mocks देते थे, unexpected चीजें आती थी, कभी कोई section बहुत difficult, कभी कोई easy. So hence it becomes very important that you do not miss out on any mock or any practice thing, because that prepares you eventually for the D-Day. स्ट्रेस होता था तनिष्का पूरे प्रोसेस में जब एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर करती थी? सो हाउ डिड यू डील विद स्ट्रेस ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस एंड ऑन दैट डे?
Okay, so during the process, I was very, very stressed. I took everything serious. I took my mock scores very serious, like कि 80s में क्यों आ रहे हैं, 90s में क्यों नहीं जा रहे. And मैंने तो मतलब कोचिंग के टीचर्स को भी बहुत परेशान कर दिया था, ये क्या हो रहा है, मॉक्स में क्या हो रहा है. I asked like each and every faculty.
Which is very important, I
Yeah.
think. Hence proactiveness is important, no? Yes.
Yeah. But at the end of the day, I realized कि on the D-Day a lot can happen. A lot of things may happen in your favor or against your favor. So I mean, yeah, I just like kept preparing for it, and I didn't have like a certain result in mind कि यही करना है वही करना है. And I just I focused on doing my best and just letting go.
Okay, so focused on doing your, so please focus on doing your best. Do not worry कि क्या होगा, उसे आप अपना stress और बढ़ाओगे. Keep going, trust the process, enjoy the process, and one day your hard work will surely pay off. So yeah, since the paper involves lot of reading, legal reading, English reading, RC reading. So how does one ace the art of speed reading, Tanishka?
Okay, so I think reading, you have to like kind of fall in love with reading. So I would say if you're not someone who is an avid reader, like I myself don't read novels as such. So like you can start with newspapers, because newspaper में ही बहुत सारे genres cover हो जाते हैं. And then also Aeon essays is a good thing that you can study.
Okay, Aeon essays, source that
Yeah.
Tanishka recommends. And
like certain short stories, because if you aren't into reading novels, then I think short stories can help. So that is also a good thing that
so read. Habit की बात है. Initially difficulty आ सकती है. Start with a genre that you like. Slowly and gradually habit develop हो जाएगा. But running away definitely is not the solution. Okay, Tanishka, one piece of advice to the law aspirants out there जो prepare करना चाहते हैं, उनके लिए कोई message क्या कहना चाहते हो आप उन्हें?
I would say that CLAT is not the end of everything. So even if you don't do well in CLAT, you have a lot of other things that you can focus on, and just focus on doing your best right now. Like don't have too much tension कि future में क्या होगा, CLAT में क्या होगा, ELIT में क्या होगा, वो तुम संभाल लोगे. अभी के लिए just focus on studying and doing your part. That's it. And
Very
all the best.
rightly said, Tanishka. मतलब काफी अच्छी बात है जो इसने बोली कि बहुत ज्यादा फ्यूचर का मत सोचो, ये कैसे होगा वो कैसे होगा. Just keep going, do your best. And very good thing that she mentioned, CLAT is not the end of the world. It's competition at the end of the day. Some might get it there, some might not. You don't need to lose hope. There are other avenues. मतलब एक रास्ता बंद तो दूसरा खुलता है. Please understand and remember that there are other avenues, and there might be better opportunities waiting for you. So for everyone who made it and for everyone who not made it, this is for you a very important message. Okay, my last question, Tanishka, to you would be, what has been the role of CL, career launcher, in your entire preparation journey?
Okay, so first of all, the mocks helped me out a lot, because I think the career launcher mocks, they are like really well curated according to the CLAT pattern. Secondly, apart from mocks, the faculty has been really helpful, like with doubts, and even apart from like academics, the faculty has been like really supportive. And even like if you like every time I was stressed, I used to go to these teachers and I was like कि मैम ये नहीं हो रहा, वो नहीं हो रहा, मैनेज नहीं हो पा रहा. तो even like for motivational purposes, they were really helpful. And like it's just been a really nice journey with CL so far. And I feel like if not for CL, I probably would not have been this serious about CLAT.
नहीं, pleasure is all ours. We were just, हमने सिर्फ रास्ता दिखाया. You yourself were self-motivated and a very disciplined and focused child, and your hard work obviously paid off, and you're coming out with flying colors, and we're super proud of you. Huge
Thank you.
Congratulations again.
Thank
We're
you.
sure wherever you go, you'll surely rock. Thank you, Tanishka.
Thank
Thank you
you,
so
ma'am.
much. Like to welcome Tanishka's mom, who's there with us. Welcome, ma'am. Huge congratulations to you too.
Thank you.
Success is truly yours. Ma'am, how's the feeling? Tanishka ने इतना अच्छा रैंक सिक्योर करा है, कैसा लग रहा है?
Very happy, ma'am. Very happy. Initially, she was very uptight, but now she's very confident she can get into best NLU.
So she was little reserved पहले
Reserved,
तनिष्का
yeah.
बता रही थी, and now you've seen that confidence level building.
Yes.
And the success is truly yours, ma'am. I saw you being so involved in the entire process. आप PTMs में आते थे, हमेशा उसकी performance को track करते थे, and ये जीत सिर्फ आज तनिष्का की नहीं आपकी भी है. So congratulations to you, ma'am.
Thank you for all the mentors of Carol and Shama.
Thank you
all
so
groomed
much.
her well, ma'am.
Thank you. Tanishka, CL's door are always open for you. Please come here, keep motivating the future generation, and we wish you all the best. Congratulations again. Thank you.